Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you how to install a browser when you uninstalled everything. So say you've installed a new Windows 11, you ran a couple of debloaters on there, uninstalling everything, even Edge. This will actually get you back into a browser. So let's just open my Spice viewer, which looks better. Right, so this is a new Windows installation, and I ran a couple of debloaters on here, uninstalling everything. So we're gonna use winget and PowerShell to install browsers back again. So just come here to search and then run your command line as admin. Right, so the first one is, let's just install Brave. So it's winget install id brave.brave. So that should run. So I ran both at the same time and they didn't like that. So don't do that. So let's just wait for Brave to install. Okay, Brave is installed. There it is. So let's quickly go to PowerShell. So the other one is PowerShell. Copy this. Come on. Copy. Just go to PowerShell. Run it as admin. We can close that. Just two different options. Run that and let it run. Okay, it looks good. So there's Firefox and there's Brave. So that's how you install browsers if you messed up and uninstall everything else. Much easier way actually. Just put in the put in the command and you can just leave it. You can just leave it and come back, it will be installed. Yeah, that's it. Good.